Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to configure Tecno Spark 20 Pro for a senior person. To do this, first let's open the settings. Inside we want to scroll down to the special function, scroll down even more and locate accessibility. Inside we want to enter text in the display. First option is the font size. Here you'll be able to adjust the size of the text on your phone. You can make it bigger or smaller, however you like. Then we can go back, move to color correction or color inversion. If you need one of those settings or both of them, you can activate them. I'm gonna leave them off. Then we can remove animations. This should reduce motion sickness while using the phone. We can also activate high contrast text, and it's mostly visible on the home screen. It adds a black outline to the text, which makes it much more visible. Then we can go back and go for magnification. Right here, when activated, you should get the magnification shortcut. And when you click on it, you should enter magnification mode and then click anywhere else on your screen and you will zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on that same icon again. And you can experiment with those settings however you like. There's many more, but that would be it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.